I'm Rich and we're making Philly cheesesteaks for the guys. What makes the perfect Philly cheesesteak? Beef, cheese, and onions. Now, you may not like onions, but try caramelizing them for a few minutes. They sweeten up and they are perfect. So let's start this off. A little olive oil in the pan. There we are. Now we're gonna hit it with some of those onions I was talking about. You wanna get your pan nice and hot, as it is here. Last but not least, I'm going to add some freshly minced garlic. I always like to add this last, just so it doesn't burn. Now let's just start tossing this around. Now the key is, you wanna get this all nice and translucent. Cook them through. Perfect. All right, now while that's caramelizing, I'm bringing the star of the show, the beef. Now the key to a perfect Philly cheesesteak is thinly sliced beef. The way to get this, take your beef, stick it in the freezer for about 15 minutes. When you remove it, it'll be nice and firm. You'll get to cut it to the perfect consistency. There we are, check that out. That is beautiful, golden brown. Oh, love it. So now we are going to add the beef. There we go. Now while that's going, gonna hit it with a little fresh cracked pepper. Perfect. And a little Worcestershire sauce. Now that just kind of enhances the flavor, brings everything together. Now you can see it's cooking up nice. Now these are really thinly sliced like we wanted, so it's only gonna take about a minute to cook. Look at it, now that is about perfect. Now, we're gonna take some low-fat American cheese, sit that right on top. Now a key to cooking this, put a little lid on, steams the cheese in no time. Now while that's going, instead of using a regular roll, we are going to use a whole wheat pita pocket. Low carbs, and not skimping on any of the flavor. Ah, perfect. Smells amazing. Now we're gonna take this, stick in the pita pocket, and what we're going to do is we're just gonna toast it in the oven just for about 2 or 3 minutes, just to get a little warmth to this pita pocket. Oh, that looks beautiful. There we are. Let's give it a minute or two. Let's check on our cheesesteaks. That looks perfect. Oof. There we have it. Low fat, low carb Philly cheesesteak.